Yep. All right, bud. Thank you.
That's your notice there, Mr. Polly, all right, just to say basically it's been seized and taken to court.
Nice one. Good work, mate. I hope you have a good night's sleep tonight.
Sorry?
I hope you have a good night's sleep
No
tonight.
problem.
I'll shove this up on YouTube. You can watch it later if you want. I'll shove this up on YouTube. You can watch it later if you want. Yeah, nice one, mate. I bet mine's better than yours, bud?
That's what he'll say.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with the police. We are purely here to stop the breach of peace between the bailiffs and yourself. Okay? So
The
your
best thing to
issues
do,
about
Mr. Collie, is obviously if you want to get the vehicle back before it goes to
I'll
auction.
talk to the owner, mate. She'll sort it out. It's not my car, is it?
Okay, so
Yeah, but it's your fine though, isn't it?
that said, yes, you can take
Well, I mean, I don't see any. I'm not contracted with you. I've got no contract with you, mate.
This is a fine. This isn't a contract.
Well, tell me where I've signed to agree to it all.
Well, no, it's a pay and display parking ticket. That's where it is.
He's now unarrested.
Yeah, but surely you should have a piece of paper to say,
Well, there's
you know,
people
that I
Yeah,
owe
but
it with my signature on it.
Yeah, but if you don't.
Otherwise, I
park-
haven't agreed to it,
yeah.
have I?
Well, no, it's not the case.
There's no contract. We haven't got a
No,
contract,
it's
have
not.
we?
It's not a private. It's not a private arrangement, Mr. Colley. So you're thinking about something else.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You're thinking about something else. Your disabled badge won't be displayed. That's the bottom line.
Sorry?
Your disabled badge won't be displayed.
What do you mean?
Okay, hold on a second.
Huh?
I think they're all about to leave, but right.
On Commercial Road, 1601, 3rd of the 2nd, 2010.
Yeah, but that I got a letter in there to say that they'd waived that one. Officer, they've just told me that basically what the offence is. Basically, they've just told me what the offence was for. It was for what was it?
Weren't displaying your disabled badge.
I've got a letter in there because I wrote to them,
Yeah.
and basically they waived it. They said that's okay.
Okay.
Can I show you that?
Well, the problem is it's a civil matter. It's nothing to do with the police. I will give you the same advice we gave the last chap, which is contact the CAB and
Yeah.
get some advice from them as to how you appeal this process.
I've already spoken to them a minute ago.
Have you?
Yeah, and basically she said to get free half an hour with the solicitor.
Yeah.
And I asked these chaps if I could have 5 minutes just so I could make a phone call to the solicitor. And basically they've said no. And
Well,
now
it's
he's
up
just
to
told
you how you
me,
choose to spend your time.
he's just told me for what the offence was. They've written to me and said that that's okay. I've actually got a letter in there that I can go and get within 2 minutes and show you.
You'll be able to take that along to the council and see.
Yeah, but the harm's already been done, isn't it? Why didn't you tell me that an hour ago then?
Why didn't I tell you what?
Why didn't you tell me what it was for? I could have showed you
I
that
told-
letter
I
and you
told
could have
you,
said,
I
oh,
told
it's
you
all a
for a
big mistake
parking
then.
fine. Yeah, always seems to be a big mistake with everybody that has a parking ticket.
Well, if you wait here for 2 minutes, I can get you that letter that the council was written, yeah, and basically the council have written
Well, that's-
officer.
that's something you need to
The problem
discuss
is,
with them.
Mr. Colley, the situation's gone from the council's hands.
Yeah.
They will have then sold the debt on to the bailiff company. As far as the council are concerned, it's
Yeah,
not
but
their
it's-
problem anymore. I know it's a frustrating
It's
situation.
not frustrating. It's almost criminal. I mean, they've just legally stolen a car. You know.
Like I say, we don't deal with civil law, and I don't fully
You
understand.
do
it.
deal with civil
No, we
law.
don't.
Yeah, you have to. I
we
mean,
don't.
we've all got common law rights, and basically, you know.
No, we deal with criminal law. Okay, civil law is land, property, those sorts of things. We deal
But
with
we've all got
criminal
common
offences.
law rights, though, and it's your job to uphold them, isn't it?
Well, what's the common law right that you're referring to then, Mr. Colley?
You know, no loss of, I don't know, harm, loss or injury, you know. I mean, basically, I've got common law rights that say, that I'm protected under law, and basically,
For what?
well, for harm, loss or injury.
But there's also legal things that say you have to pay parking tickets, and they've got a warrant from the court issued to them.
But mistakes do get made, and
Of course
basically,
they do.
if
But
I
we
could,
can't resolve that here.
no, but if I could show him the letter, then it would have saved hundreds and hundreds of pounds of your time, plus the guy who just picked up the car and everything. I could have just got the letter to show him that it's a mistake.
For them, that is of no consequence. They have a warrant.
They have a warrant from the courts, and it's the courts that have decided
And
that
they
your
are
car
acting
goes.
on behalf of the
We
court.
can't do anything, they can't do anything else.
It's
Okay,
just,
you
it
need
just,
to appeal it through
Right.
legal
doesn't give me
means.
any of the rights or
All right.
nothing, though, does it?
But Mr. Colley, if you need to speak to the office now, if you
Mate, your firm is a bunch of fucking crooks, yeah? And I wouldn't want to deal with your firm at all, seriously. You know what I mean? And I tell you what, mate, I make websites, yeah? And I make websites. By the end of the week, there's going to be a nice website up about this, mate. And I'm going to invite lots and lots of people to put their reactions to their situations down. And I'll put your nice faces up as well, right? Love you.